Hi, it's Teresa here, and I'm back in the kitchen. Tonight's dinner is pistachio-crusted chicken breast, and that is with Brussels sprouts, Israeli couscous, lemon sumac, vinaigrette. And I just took this out of the oven, so it's all nice and hot. I'm gonna put the Brussels sprouts here off to the side. Hope you had a wonderful day today. I did. It's always a great day to be at Namaste. Hope you're enjoying the beautiful weather that we've been having lately. So this, I'm excited to say that I ordered another tovala so that I could have at work and make fresh meals for myself instead of heating them up in the microwave, because I don't believe in microwaves. I don't have a microwave in my house, and it changes the food, and I don't like that. So I'm so excited. That's going to be coming soon, and then I can eat nice fresh meals. Look at that. Doesn't that look wonderful? And this is the pistachio-crusted chicken. It has 670 calories, 23 grams of fat, 68 carbs, 7 fibers, 2 sugars, and 46 grams of protein. That's like half the protein for the day. Plus I had a meal earlier, so that also had the protein in it. So this meal comes with some feta cheese, apricots, and pistachios, and then the vinaigrette. So I love all of this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add it to my dish. There's so many different meals to choose from Tovala. If you watch my shorts, the dogs see the Amazon driver. They have a toy for them. And there we have it. Doesn't that look delicious? Tastes wonderful. Have a great day.